Hello friends, today we will discuss cultivation practices of onion. Myself Professor Y.R. Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KKO College of Agriculture, Nasik. Now let's botanical description of onion. Onion is a important crops in growing in Maharashtra. Common name of onion is onion. Botanically it is known as Elem cepa, family Amarlidaceae or Alaceae. Origin of onion is Central Asia, genus Aluminum and species Sheba. Chromosome number of onion is 16. It is a highly cross-pollinated crop. Plant part used for consumption in onion is bulb and leaves. National Research Center for Onion and Garlic is located at Rajgurunagar, Pune. Pungency in onion is due to allyl propyl disulfides. It is a volatile oil. Lasargaon is the biggest market of onion in India, and India ranked second in onion production, about 70% share in foreign exchange. Climatic requirement for onion. Onion is basically required cool climatic condition. It is a cool season crop grown in during the winter and harvested before the real hot season beginning. Onion can be grown under a wide range of climatic conditions, but it succeeds best in mild season without extreme of heat and cold. Average temperature range for onion cultivation is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Onion required well-drained sandy loam, silt loam and deep fertile soil for best suited for onion crop cultivation. Next one is the varieties of onion. First one is the N53. It is suitable for Kharif season in western and northern India. Duration is 90 to 100 days. Bulb are medium, flattish, round and red in color. Average yield is 250 quintals per hectare. This variety released from MPK Urauri. Next one is the Baswan 780. It is suitable for Kharif season. Next one, Agrifound Red, Phule Samartha, Arka Kalyan, N241, Phule Sapet, Phule Suvarna, Phule Sapet, Phule Suvarna and N241 is a late Kharif season varieties. Next one is the Arka Niketan, it's a summer season variety. Next important varieties Bhima Super, Bhima Kiran, Bhima Shakti. Let's propagation methods for onion cultivation. Onion commercially propagated by seed as well as bulb. Bulbs is used for seed production. Seed rate for 8 to 10 kg per hectares. For planting of onion in Kharif season, the sowing time is done in June and transplanting is done in August. Late Kharif seed sowing is done in July and August and transplanting done September to October. For planting of onion in summer season, seeds are sowing in October, November and this transplanting is done in December, January. Seedling preparation. Prepare nursery bed of size 4 by 1 by 0.15 meters. Add in 4 to 5 kg FOM, 250 grams of 15 NPK, 50 gram of COC. Seed treatment used for mancozeb at the rate 3 gram per kg of seeds. Sowing seeds at 10 cm distance between row and 2 cm deep. Transplanting is done in 6 to 8 weeks old seedlings used for transplanting at 15 by 10 cm distance in ridges and furrow. Flatbed or ridge bed type of layout is used for planting of onion. Next one is the manures and fertilizer requirement for onion cultivation. 30 ton FOM required for 1 hectare area, and fertilizer dose is 150 kg NPK per hectare. Half dose of nitrogen, uh, full dose of phosphorus and potash applied as basal during the transplanting, and remaining half dose of nitrogen applied 30 days 40 days after transplanting in two split dosages. Irrigation requirement for onion is depend upon season, climate, soil type. 6 to 8 days interval in winter season. Weed controls, baseline 1 kg per 100 liter of water before transplanting is used for weed controlling. Next one is the harvesting of onion. Harvesting should be done after 60 to 70% neck fall is occur. Bulb should be harvested, and 110 to 140 days after transplanting, leaves are to be trampled by foot or bamboo sticks 3 to 4 days before harvesting to remove excess moisture of bulb for better curing. 20 to 30 tons per hectare yield is obtained. Next important is pest and diseases in onion. Most harmful pest is thrips. For control of this pest, use propionopos 0.1%, fipronil 0.1%, and for purple blotch, mancozeb 0.3% and carbendazim 0.1% is used for control of purple blotch. Next one is a physiological disorder. It is the most destructive physiological disorders in onion. First one is the bolting in onion. It's occur when onion crop in grown for bulb, some premature seed stock are produced before completing the normal life cycle of onion bulb, known as bolting. This is this is not desirable because of future development of onion is stopped. Further development of onion bulb stock. These bulbs become fibrous and light in weight. The leaves and bulbs become unfit for consumption. Such bulbs do not have long keeping quality. The seeds obtained from such bulbs is poor in germination, and seedlings are very weak. Remedy for the overcoming the bolting in onion: for spraying of 0.5% MH40, that is malic atrazide 40, after 2.5 months of transplanting for reducing the bolting. This photograph show the bolting in onion at a time of cultivation. Curing: it is a post-harvest treatment for tuber bulb crops by exposing them the relatively high temperature to facilitate drying of upper skin, healing of injured surface, prevent microbial attack, reduce rotting, and resulting in more shelf life. Curing means removal of moisture after harvesting. Thank you for watching cultivation practices of onion.